Tossed a little pizza slut sticker on the front fender. What's up guys, welcome back to Horsepower and Pizza. My name is Bailey. A little bit different today. I don't really do how-to videos or demonstrational videos, but from time to time I feel compelled to do that. And this is the first time I'm trying to do this myself, so I might as well take you guys along for the ride. A few videos ago, you guys saw that I picked up another Kawasaki KLX 110L to build a pit bike out of. I said my first plans for it were to throw graphics and tall bars on it and just ride it. And I'm sticking to that plan. I ordered my graphics from Blackheart Motocross Graphics. They're a local company to me. I got the Horsepower and Pizza logo put on the side plates, and staying true to my plan on the video where I picked up the bike, I said I was only getting number plates to start. Once I have my logo for my new business, I will be getting a full set, and I'll probably be getting those done through Blackheart as well, because Eric Sebastian, the owner, is very easy to work with, and I highly recommend supporting his business. I'll put all of his contact information down below. Eric, thank you so much for being easy to work with. I know that I can be kind of a pain in the ass from time to time, but you knocked it out of the park. You got them here super quickly, and I'm ready to try to install them. When I was growing up, my dad was the one that put all of my graphics on my bike. Now I could have him do that on these, but that kind of defeats the purpose of learning. Now the way that we always had the best luck was just with some soapy water, a squeegee, and a heat gun. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. And for once in my life, I remembered to set up the GoPro to time lapse, so I'm going to hand it off to that camera now, and we will check back in when I'm done. I got the front plate finished, very minimal bubbles, you can kind of see it in there, but it's gonna get hit with a bunch of rocks and stuff anyway. I'm actually gonna try to do the side plates without the soap and water, and that may or may not help me keep the bubbles out of it. A lot of different contours to the side plates because it kind of comes in like this, and then there's a contour here. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how that came out. Way fewer bubbles than the front plate, so now I'm gonna do the other side plate. Overall, super happy with how these came out. I'm really stoked to have my logo on my side plates. I'm sure Eric's gonna come up with something great once I have my logo done so I can throw a full kit on the bike. So at this point, I'm gonna throw some tall bars on the bike and we're gonna get out and ride once the weather warms up a little bit. Toss the plates back on the bike. Everything looks great. The greens match super well. Still really pumped on my logo on there. Tossed a little pizza slut sticker on the front fender. It is so cold. I am not about these winters, and I am so ready for it to get warm so me and the boys can go out and mob these things at Breezewood and some other tracks. I know it's like 9 months out yet, but Vurb Moto is bringing the Shred Tour to Tomahawk Motocross in Hedgesville, West Virginia. We are gonna try to come out and do a booth there. I'm gonna try to get in touch with Vurb. They said they're cool with it on Instagram, but I want to make sure that like they understand what I mean when I say I want to have a booth at your event. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. There is so much more pit bike content to come. Hit me up on all other platforms at Horsepower Pizza. If you would like to support, head over to www.horsepowerandpizza.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and build it for you.